Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Z Beauty here. I'm Aziza. Hope all are doing great. Here I'm gonna share a secret remedy to get a wrinkle-free and glowing skin. Without any further delay, let's see what is that secret ingredient. So I came up with wonderful ingredient that is bay leaf, which is rich in vitamin A and C and also contains antioxidant. Vitamin A helps to heal your breakouts and also to maintain moisture level of your skin. Vitamin C helps to promote collagen production. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant is a substance protects from cell damage which is caused by free radicals. So let's see how to make this toner. Boil water and then add bay leaf. Transfer it in a bowl. Keep them aside until it gets cool. Wash your face with this water for 2 to 3 times per day. It helps to tone up your skin so you can leave it for until it gets dry. It gives wonderful glowing and younger looking skin, so you can use this every day for better result. So hope this video is really helpful. See you on next video. Until take care. Bye.